Anong layo na kayo mo?
Sige na ba na mag-play? Play mo, sir? That we may never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me. What I learned from you, you'll be with me. Like a heaven on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine, like me and my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by the wind of the sea, like a seed dropped by a skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I know you, because I know you, I have been changed for good. Just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things you've done, you blamed me for. But then I guess all is blame to share, and none of